This video will show you how to add a place to the Connector or the bmap.cache Android app. These are two Android apps which display all the places all around the world that accept Bitcoin Cash or BTC or BSV or Dash. Whatever unbanks the banked is welcome. So I open this right now, the old version. It's from 2018. This was the very first map. It was named Move Your BCH back in time in 2018, and it all started in Barcelona, España. So let's zoom to Barcelona, España. It's about here. Okay, so this is where this journey started of the bmap app. It is this neighborhood. It's Villa de Gracia. It's an anarchistic neighborhood in Barcelona, España, in Catalonia, better said. They are fighting for their independence from Spain. So in Catalonia, in Barcelona, they started this project, and here you have the map view. Here you have the list view. You can scroll up and down. You see how much the people like the place, how far it is away from your current location. All is ordered by distance, and you can give it a heart, and then you can see it on your favorites list. Okay, and if you want, you can also remove it from the favorite list. And this is a small app that helps you locate places where you can spend your Bitcoin Cash. For example, I click on the button here. I see, this is Atabalat's Gastro Bar. This is in Barcelona, Spain. So I can share this place by touching the middle button, or I can move to it, and then it opens the Google Maps and it gives me the direction to get there. Okay, so this would be a use case for this app, that a user who would like to spend Bitcoin Cash or Dash or BTC or BSV, whatever Bitcoin works on chain and is a real Bitcoin, is very welcome in this app to be listed. Okay, and here I go back and I have a menu, and I can also search for categories. Okay, so if I'm just interested in supermarkets or in restaurants, then I click away all the other places, and all that stays is restaurants, and a special category is the other one. Okay, so now I'm showing you the new app. Okay, this is the old app. This is bmap.cache. Excuse me. So that was bmap.cache. You can find it also on bitcoinmap.cache. On bmap.cache, I think it forwards to bmap.app already, because the new one is bmap.app. Okay, bmap.app is a combination of the Connector app with the map. So the version from 2018 was integrated into the new version of 2019, and that is what you see when you open the browser and go to bmap.app. But the most convenient way to use the tool set of the Real Bitcoin Club to locate merchants is if you use the Connector app. Okay, the Connector app was released in 2019, so I opened that one, and here you have a different perspective. So we found out that by user testing that this version is more appreciated, so we now focus our development power on that version, and all that is missing is that these who work on the onboarding, they are able to manage their own neighborhood or own places within this app. And this is what I'm going to show you now. Okay, so we just entered in this new app, and down there you have a button. It says añadir restaurante. Okay, it says add restaurant in Spanish. Okay, so this app is also translated into 7 languages. Okay, so I open here, and okay, I see that first I shall enter a name of the place which I want to add. Okay, in that case, the place is called Joel's Crepes. Joel's Crepes, and this is located in the Hydro, I think it was. Let's see if I'm right. Yeah, it looks like it found something, and the Heathrow job, yes, it worked. Okay, so I clicked the button, it went on the Google API and it grabbed the data, and it already pre-categorized the place in 3 different tags. There's one missing. Let's see if we can find a tag for crepe, croissant, crepe, it's like sweet, right? I think sweet we already have. Cake, cookie, pizza, salad. So here you can search the category which is missing. Let's say, just for the giggles, we added like yeah, what shall I add? There's so many categories. Well, sweets it already had. I think it's quite vegetarian. Yeah, let's call it vegetarian, just for completing the task of submitting this place. So to complete the task to submit the place, you need 4 categories. Okay, because the database, it is already big and it will be huge, so we need data that can be processed. Okay, so it doesn't help anybody if we have a map like 100,000 places all around the world and they just have accept something or they sell something. So there we come into categorizing, right? So they are already categorized, and right now I'm adding a restaurant. Okay, I'm not even sure if this is a restaurant, because a restaurant is a place where you can sit down and eat inside of the restaurant, and that is I'm not sure. Maybe this is just a takeaway shop, and then it would be the to go. So there's another category, it's called to go. Then it would be that one. But anyway, to submit the place, it's already fine if you choose the category which you think fits best, and then it will still review the data you submitted before it goes into the product. Okay, so whatever you submit here, it will be viewable in many different products on iPhone, Android. So you have 2 Android apps, 1 iPhone app, and then there are like 4 different websites where we display these places. Okay, so the data you submit is being displayed in many different locations to thousands of monthly users. Okay, and that drives traffic, that drives consumers to eat or to buy at that place. Okay, so now let's select the photos. Okay, so after that we have selected the tags. Okay, so the category is restaurant, you can read it on the top, and then you have 4 tags, and then later you can filter by the tags. Okay, so a user, they can search for all the places that sell chocolate, and then this place would be shown. Okay, so then now let's switch. Look, here are the images. I can move it with my finger from left to right, and I am asked to select the 3 best images possible. And as there are only 3 images, well, then let's take these 3 images. Pam pam, I double touch. Okay, pam pam, I double touch, and I double touch again. Pam pam. Now the send button is popping up. Okay, down here is a send button, which will not work until you have selected also the coin that place accepts. Okay, so you must select the coin, and further down you must select a brand. Okay, so this also helps to promote each other, all the different teams which are working in the onboarding. The bmap.app likes to promote their efforts, and we are very happy that these teams are all working in a decentralized manner to bring more places to the BCH consumer base. So then at the end, let's say you select one of these. I got this one. I got it from a guy who's also quite active in onboarding lately, and I offered him to add his own brand. Okay, so if you want and you're a frequent onboarder and you would like to promote your brand, which makes sense, okay, then I can add your brand. So then on each image when the user sees the place on the image in the bottom left corner, it will show the brand. Okay, right now, just for the purpose of submitting something, I will select the brand, the Real Bitcoin Club. Okay, and BCH Bitcoin, and now I will send NVR. Okay, so NVR, and the bottom right there is the button, it says send in Spanish. I click that now, and it starts uploading the place to the bmap database, and it's done. Okay, it says now at the bottom, it says I am Satoshi Nakamoto. Thank you for your attention, and yeah, let's get this done, right? We need more people listing places, and the bmap is offering bounties for that. Okay, so if you want to manage your local neighborhood with this tool, and you would like to upload places here, then after uploading a certain amount of places, and we see that, yeah, it's continuous work, then we will reward you with bounties. Okay, we just get in touch and we will figure something out.